We are going to see what's going on the performance stage now. So let's toss things down to Eamon.
All right, thanks, Jenna, and we are getting ready for some serious creative fun, and my sweet tooth is ready to go for this one. This is going to be a lot of fun here on Notre Dame Day 24. I am joined here by Executive Pastry Chef Sinai Vespie of the Three Leaf Catering and Experience Notre Dame. So if you get married on campus or have a special event, those sweet wedding cakes that you see or special desserts, Chef Sai is the one getting it done for you. So, Chef Sai, what are we getting ready for here right now on Notre Dame Day 2024?
Well, Eamon, we have these 6 fine students back here, and they are getting ready to do a cake decorating competition with a Notre Dame theme. They will be judged based on their use of theme, creativity, and just having fun with it.
All right, let's take a look at what they're going to be working with here. Chef, take us through what they got here for us here to how they're going to put this cake together.
Right, so they have a variety of sprinkles, some shamrocks, just Notre Dame themed items, and then white, gold, green, and blue buttercream, and a variety of tips that they can use. And their grand prize that they are working for is this beautiful set.
That is plenty at stake. All right, let's meet our participants. We're going to go quickly around here. What exactly can you give us your own Notre Dame introduction here?
Yeah, I'm Johnny. I am a current junior representing the class of 2025 class council. I'm from Pangbourne Hall, originally from South Dakota.
Hi, I'm Rose. I'm also repping the class of 2025 junior class council, also a junior, and I'm from Oklahoma City and live in Kavanaugh Hall.
Hi, I'm Ryan Wachter. I'm the Senior Class Council Secretary fighting here for the seniors, and I'm from Bomber Hall. Go Bucks.
All right, the shot clock's running. We got to speed it up. Sorry.
Hi, I'm Lila Romero, and I'm the Senior Class President representing Senior Class Council as well, and I'm from Lions Hall.
Hi, my name's Molly. I'm from class of 2026, and I'm from Walsh Hall.
Hi, I'm Megan. I'm a sophomore representing class 2026. I'm the sophomore class treasurer, and I'm representing also PE Hall.
All right, so we got a little cake competition going here. We're going to have the clock starting to run, but we will be back with more Notre Dame students right after this break here on Notre Dame Day.